Enjoy Science YouTube channel. We are a source for anything science. How to fix headphones and earphones that only work on one side or both sides. Simple fix to headphones working on one side or only works when twisting headphone jack. Ready? Let's start. If one side or both sides are not working properly, then use this headphones or earphones on another device such as another mobile phone or another laptop. If it works fine with the new device, so the problem is the socket slot of the earphone or headphone in the first device. But if it does not work with the new device too, it means that the problem is in the earphone or headphone itself. So we will try to find the specific area causing the problem, then fix it. If the problem is the socket slot, so start cleaning it by tiny tools like those shown in pictures. Please clean it gently so your mobile phone will not be damaged. You can dip the little stick in the alcohol so the dust inside it glue to the little stick. Be careful while cleaning. But if the problem is not the socket slot from the beginning, it is the earphones or headphones itself. So watch the video mentioned in the description under this video.